video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, their location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by tourists to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, and usages, etc. Category 2. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, visiting card, photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. And offers are included online for this hotel along with various and policies. To book it, you can use the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again